In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Adobe Express so you can access the editor and start creating your designs. To get started, head to the Adobe Express page on Adobe's website. Once you're there, look in the top right corner and click Go to Adobe Express. The page will reload and take you to the sign in screen, so give it a moment to finish loading. You'll now see several ways to sign in, including with an email address, Google, Facebook, Apple, and other available options. Choose the same sign-in method you used when creating your Adobe Express account. In this example, I'm signing in with Google. Quick side note, for more straightforward Adobe Express tutorials, be sure to subscribe to Ecom Control. If you already have the correct Google account signed in on your browser, simply select it from the list. If not, click Use Another Account, then enter the email address and password for the account you use with Adobe Express. After you've completed the sign-in process, the page will reload once more. Wait for it to finish and you'll be taken into your Adobe Express account. And that's it. You've successfully signed in to Adobe Express.